Morning, so this one's going to be a little bit rogue. I've just arrived at the Nuneaton F Centre. As you can see, there's the old MG laying around and a load of mud. So I'm here today because I'm picking up Sweary Dan, who's my partner in the drinking team, as a racing problem. So the first thing I need to do is find a lure, which is in the back here. This is like trying to get the cat out the garage. Haha! So we have laying about. Morning, Vin.
Hey, fella.
I'll lure him in with beer.
Beautiful. Look at that. And just the right brand, thank you.
Exactly, there we go. Well, there's Celestina. That's our Swift that we've sold. So yes, oh look, there's another MGF. So I don't know why Dan's got such a passion for this old cronky stuff, really. So this is Zrigo, I think the name of that one is. That is David and Helen's sprint car, and this is Mark Bellamy's car. Cyril's original. It's an original trophy car. What else we got lying around? That's a cup car, an MGF cup car, another MGF cup car. I've got a gun, there's another one over there.
Another blue one.
Yes.
There's a lovely blue one under there.
Is there a nice blue one under there?
You ought to see it.
Yeah, that one.
Shouldn't be there.
Yeah, it's just being used as storage at the minute. I can see that Dan's had a goodly tidy up. Because all of our racing cars have got names. It started with Christine, the MG-ZR. She was built from a body shell. She was never actually a car. So when MG Rover went bust, there was a number of body shells that were never cars. We've got two of those. They're both left-hand drive, and we've campaigned her very successfully. She's a multiple race winner, class winner, overall Cockshoot Cup winner. Then we moved on to Christina, who was a MGF. There was a special championship race for the MGF trophy when the, I think it was the 30th anniversary of the MGF, I can't quite remember, but we got Christina off eBay. You're going to notice a running theme with our vehicular purchases, really. She was also blue. Dan Surridge again prepared her, and she is now still racing in the Cockshoot Championship. She's going to Class C now. A lovely chap called Phil Rigby. He purchased her off of Paul Goodman. I raced Christina on behalf of Paul Goodman. It was actually his car. To success, we got the third overall, which was very good because the engine wasn't quite the right one for the championship. It was a bit low powered, but with a bit of commitment, we managed to get on. After that, we moved on to Christiana, who was a Mazda RX-8 to race in the CSCC's RX-8 trophy. And I only raced her twice. I raced her once in the day and once in the night at Donington Park, where she won her class. We won the class together, so she's a multiple race winner as well. And although she was 230 horsepower, it just didn't feel racing car-y enough for me. And I sold her very quickly afterwards to one of the other competitors, and she's still racing now. And then we got Celestine. So Celestine was the Golf TCR car. She's been in some of the Davanti videos, and she developed the Pro Tourer race racing tyre. And we got some finishes with her. We had a bit of a disaster with her at Anglesey, which you will see on one of the Davanti Pro Tourer race videos. Motorsport's never easy. And then she did race in the 750 Motor Club's Birkett Relay, and she did very well there. She's a very fast car. She's also now been sold. She's been sold to a lovely chap called Dave Cox. He's going to go and race her with the BRSCC in their tin tops. She's going to do very well. She's a very impressive piece of machinery and very well prepared. And then we got Celestina. So yes, Celestina, who is the Suzuki Swift that we built from a salvage car with Matt Hancock Racing, and the build has been filmed but not actually been released. That was filmed with Davanti tyres, so hopefully we can actually see a racing car being born. She was saved from scrap, only a little light bit of damage, and panel beater got the damage out actually, and we turned her into a racing car. She's also a race winner. She got a race win at Donington in the wet, and she got some seconds. I think I got a third with her as well. So she's up for sale because we're not racing with the 750 Motor Club Swift Sport Challenge next year, mainly because of Sapphire, who as I said, is a 1958 Giulietta Sprint, who has now been fully restored. So please give us a like and a subscribe if you want to stay updated. And I'm now off to do a couple more bits of mischievousness